Hi, my name is Liz Aufmuth. I work for T-Mobile. The problem we were trying to solve when we pulled Ambition in, we didn't know what leaders were doing. This is what grabbed everyone's attention. There was a survey that went out, and it was around what we call the disciplines. And when we say the disciplines, are you doing a weekly team meeting? Are you doing weekly one-on-ones? Are you doing funnel reviews? Are you doing weekly ride-along? So kind of like the basics that occur within the natural flow of business that ensure that you are having coaching and development conversations. And the results that came back were actually shocking. It grabbed everyone's attention of, whoa, wait a minute. Like, we've trained on this, we've coached on this, we've shared the importance of, top-down leadership and all the things. And what we realized really quickly was we weren't even close to where we wanted to be. So that's when we went on the search for the Ambition tool, is to say, okay, we know the leader's the center piece for all of this. And we know that if you're never going to live up to full potential if you don't have a leader doing some of the basic fundamentals. Small medium business in particular was kind of our test case. Literally year over year, they've had 25% growth in sales, like they've been just cranking along for the last 3 years. And so that was kind of like the perfect storm of, we've got a proven scenario that is working. We've got results that back it up. We can show when coaching is taking place versus when it's not taking place that there is still a difference there as well. We'd be foolish to not go replicate within the other segments and lines of business. It has now evolved into what started off as a small, hey, let's see what type of leadership and development is taking place in the field, to where it's a whole performance management like ecosystems. What I love most about Ambition is the structure that it brings to like the very foundational daily and weekly type activities that should be taking place, and it validates that they are taking place. There's a huge difference between a partner and a vendor. A vendor will, kind of do the basics to keep you going, but a partner will actually get in the trenches with you, support you, take feedback, make enhancements to the platform, all the things where it's a collaborative effort together. I think your team is the best. They're just unbelievably good.